So we made fresh salsa yesterday, and I thought I would show you how we did it. Basically, you just get the ingredients you need: the tomatoes, onion, pepper, lime. I just had lemon, salt, cilantro if you like it, green pepper if you like it, and just blend it all up and then eat it, and it'll stay good for about a week. Ooh, it smells good. Nope.
I keep forgetting what it is.
Yeah, let me see your chips. What do you think? The one ratio you want to keep in mind is 2 parts tomato to 1 part onion, and that'll keep it good. And then you just add enough salt and lime to make it taste good, and then enough heat to make it how spicy you like it. If you want yours a little chunkier, sometimes you can blend everything and then add the tomatoes near the end and the cilantro near the end. That way it doesn't get pureed a lot, but with all of my kids, they don't like big pieces. So anyways, I hope you like it, and this is my favorite thing to make from our garden stuff every summer. I'm sure there's quite a few good recipes online if you need a recipe, but if you're like me and just have been cooking a while and throw things together, I give it a try for a great snack.